In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to MyFitnessPal. This popular app is a great tool for tracking your nutrition and fitness goals. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your web browser and search for MyFitnessPal. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. In the search bar, type MyFitnessPal and hit Enter. As you do this, you will see a list of search results appear on your screen. It is important to ensure you are clicking on the official site to avoid any phishing attempts. The official MyFitnessPal website is user-friendly and designed to help you easily navigate through its features. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for a secure sign-in process. Once that is done, look through the search results and click on the correct link. The official MyFitnessPal link typically appears at the top of the search results. It should read something like MyFitnessPal, a better way to monitor your diet and exercise. Clicking on the right link ensures you are taken directly to the site where you can sign in. If you accidentally click on a wrong link, you might end up on a different website that doesn't provide the services you need. This little step saves you a lot of time later. Now you will reach the MyFitnessPal homepage. Here you will see the option to log in. You have two main options for logging in. You can enter your email address and password if you already have an account. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can log in using your existing Google or Facebook account. This flexibility is a great feature as it allows you to choose whichever method is most convenient for you. Just be sure to enter your credentials carefully. It's important to keep your account secure and ensure that no one else can access your personal fitness information. After entering your email address and password, or selecting to log in through Google or Facebook, click the Login button. This action will send your information to the MyFitnessPal server for verification. If you have entered everything correctly, you will be directed to your MyFitnessPal dashboard. This is where you will start tracking your meals, workouts, and progress. Remember, if you experience any issues logging in, double-check your credentials to ensure they are accurate. You will see a confirmation appear if your login is successful. With that step completed, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. The dashboard is designed to provide you with a clear overview of your daily caloric intake, exercise routines, and progress towards your goals. This initial setup is important because it helps you understand how to navigate the features MyFitnessPal offers. By taking the time to explore, you'll be able to utilize the app effectively to meet your fitness targets. In conclusion, signing into MyFitnessPal is a straightforward process. You simply open your browser, search for the official site, and log in using your preferred method. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth start to your fitness journey. Remember, if you run into any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help or refer back to this guide. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you get started on your fitness goals with MyFitnessPal.